So now you could ask yourself, well, that's kind of cumbersome, right? I have to do cell by cell, row by row. I mean, that takes a long time if I want to really actually manipulate all those documents. Let's assume we have those 1000 Excel files. Let's take that imaginary case we put as a motivation in the beginning and say we have to access each cell by cell to append it to the document. I mean, that loop will be kinda long, right? Doesn't that work easier? Well, yeah, there's an easier way. For example, we could just take again our sheet and tell it to append a new row. That means it takes the next empty row in the document and appends whatever we tell it to it. That means, for example, playbook, uh, there's nothing in it. Let's say there would then be there would be a b there would be date, there would be product, there would be amount sold. I accidentally closed it again, and then the next empty row would be the second. So it would append whatever we tell it here. Then if we do append again, it would go to the next row, which is empty, and would do the same again. So this is the idea, and now I'm closing it so I'm not opening the wrong thing again. So with append, we can do that. And append works quite easy. It's a function, so we need brackets, and then we give it a list of what we want to append. So in our case, we have 3 columns, so we want to append 3 cells per row. So first cell will be I, then we make a comma as in every list, and tell it what will be the second, make a comma, and tell him what will be the third. And we just tell him that I am great. So you will tell him that you are great from your own perspective. And we can do that 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. And to show you that there something different is possible, we could tell him as well to append something different, exclamation mark. And then we could save the playbook again. So I'm copying that, not cutting it. And once we did this, we refresh our folders, we download our playbook, we open our playbook, which takes a couple of seconds as always. And once it's opened, we should see now the header line because we did this on top. I just opened the wrong document. Exactly. And then 4 lines of I am great and 1 line of something different, exclamation mark, and it worked out fine. Great. So now it's time again that you have a little exercise. Okay, delete the playbook. So delete and make a new one using the faster method and build the header again with date, product, and amount sold. Have fun. See you with the solution in the next video.